This simple math question stumps everyone. Can you solve this question? 40 divided by 8 parenthesis 6 minus 1. 40 divided by 8 I can write as it is. Parenthesis 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. In the next step, 40 divided by 8 times 5 is 40. 40 divided by 40 equals 1. But trust me, this answer is absolutely wrong because we did not follow one of the most important rule, which is called PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we can solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, after that addition and subtraction. So let's start the solution of this question from here. I write here the question, which is 40 divided by 8 open parenthesis 6 minus 1. Firstly, I can solve this parenthesis, so I rewrite 40 divided by 8 open parenthesis 6 minus 1 is 5. Here one multiplication and one division both have equal priority and we can solve it from left to right. So 40 divided by 8 is 5 times 5 equals 25. This is the final answer of this question. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.